Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying hardware and securing your data. First, make sure the Chromebook CPU is 64-bit and you have 4 GB plus RAM. Once done, back up the Chrome OS recovery image and all personal files to an external drive so you can restore if needed. Next, on another Windows PC, download the official Windows 10 ISO and Rufus. Use Rufus to create a bootable USB with the ISO. Make sure you choose GPT for UEFI, unless your Chromebook firmware requires legacy mode. You now switch firmware to accept Windows. Enable developer mode on your Chromebook and allow USB boot. Be aware this wipes local data, so confirm backups. Then, obtain the correct UEFI firmware such as Mr. Chromebox's script and flash only the file matching your model. This replaces Chrome OS boot restrictions. Once firmware is set, plug the Windows USB, boot to UEFI, create partitions using the installer's custom option, and install Windows 10. After setup, immediately install chipset and storage drivers to ensure stability and performance. You finish by installing device-specific drivers and validating everything works. First, install Wi-Fi, audio, touchpad, and power management drivers provided by the firmware project or OEM. Then restore your files from backup and run Windows Update until no critical patches remain. Make sure power settings and device management are correct to preserve battery life. If the system won't boot, reflash the UEFI firmware you used or revert with your Chrome OS recovery USB. That single troubleshooting step resolves most boot and firmware mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.